Hello everyone. I'm going to go through my Django application named trailer to lane. First I will basically just show you what the application does online, and then I'll kind of go through how it was made and its functionality. So first, this is the website, the main website that you'll go to, and only web page. As you can see, this is deployed to an EC2 instance using AWS. All it is this very simple search bar and a submit button. Here you'll type in basically a trailer identification number. Certainly these wouldn't be as simple as 1 through 14. It would be much more complicated, but you'd enter a trailer identification number and you'd hit submit, and the application would go through a database that would have every single package that belongs to a given trailer. And then it would tell you what percentage of those packages go to a given lane. So this will make more sense once I go through and explain it. So basically, in the warehouse that I work at, on any given day, you have 50 different incoming trailers with a random assortment of items or packages on them. And it's very useful to know where those packages are going inside the facility. We don't have a simple solution for this, so this Django application attempts to solve that. So basically, what you have, I've just got a short list here. Say you want to know on trailer number 2 where those packages are going. So you drop a 2, on the application website, and then it would spit out the information just like this. So trailer 2, we can have, say, 1,415 packages. That's 35% of the total number of packages in that trailer. We're going to go to lane 2, 697 going to, lane 1, and then 697 or 17% going to lane 2, etc. That way we can allocate resources and move things around to efficiently deal with that. Up here is the just very simple structure of the database itself. All it is a table full of trailers with some information and packages and certain information on them. You can see here it actually collects the size of the packages. In the future, if I wanted to add more functionality, I would also let you see the overall size of the packages that are going, to see what kind of, that'll obviously impact your efficiency. That's good information to know. So going through the file structure here, basically this is made in Django, so it follows that basic file structure. I have all my models here, which basically create the database itself. My basic HTML template, which you saw on that web page. I've run a couple tests just to make sure that I can post things to the database, which obviously I can. And then certain views. Probably the biggest challenge is right here with creating this whole application was coming up with the SQL query using the Django ORM. I had to go through a lot of documentation and learn how to use the Django ORM and basically translate over my SQL query that will deposit that information about what percentage of the packages are going to which lane. So you're seeing that all there. It's pretty straightforward if you read through it. And then this responds to whatever the user's number that they typed in on that search bar. This was created through a Docker container, and then I have all of this uploaded to a GitHub. Another challenge I had was actually seeding the table with enough data for it to be useful, so I wrote a short Python script that'll go through and plug in a bunch of miscellaneous information into the database. And that's mostly it. Otherwise, yeah, like I said, I'd like to build in more functionality, like telling you what the size of the packages are that are going to each lane. And yeah, that's mostly it. I'd like to just keep building on this and see how much more functionality I can get out of it. And I'm sure a lot of people in the logistics industry would also find use who work in manufacturing type facilities to understand where their product is going. Thanks for watching.